Hi everyone, welcome to the Insightful ED. So today I'll show you how you can set up a home page in your WordPress website step by step. So first for that we need to have a home page and a blog page, for which we need to set them as a default pages for the respective functionality. So let's just check. In the previous video I have created a home page. But for the blog I don't have any page. I'll just quickly create one. Just name this page as blog page, which is the archive blog page. And I just quickly publish this page, and now I'll go to the settings. So from the settings you go to the reading option, and in the reading option you select the static page, and for the home page we want to display this page as a front end page, and for the post the default will be the blog page. For the post this page will be in use. So I'll just quickly save these changes. And now when we click the view site from the dashboard, my newly created home page is set up as a front end page from a website. And when I go to the blog, this page will display all the blogs on your website. So this is how you can set up a home page in your WordPress website. Thank you so much guys. We'll meet in next video.